Hi guys, today's video is a collaboration with Hillary from Old World Home, and every year she hosts a $5 Goodwill challenge for every season. This season is spring, and she asks us to go to a Goodwill, a garage sale, or a thrift store and find something for $5 or less. In this case, I didn't have time to go shopping, but I had a frame that I had purchased a while back at the thrift store for $3.50. I decided to paint the frame black first, and I gave it 2 coats of chalk paint because that's the only thing I had, because I'm going to paint it a sheepskin chalk paint on top, and just in case it chips, I want the black to show and not the actual gold frame or the glass. And I gave it 2 coats of the chalk paint. I dry brushed the sides because I didn't want them to be completely white. And again, I gave it 2 coats of the white paint, or the sheepskin white paint. The sheepskin chalk paint, sorry. After I was done, I used a pencil to draw on diamond shape over the whole frame, because the concept behind this is that I want it to look like a vine wall, the kind where you have outside. It's like a trail vine or a climbing vine. So I wanted to do this with the frame, but I used moss instead. The moss is from the Dollar Tree, and all you have to do is glue it to the frame with a glue gun. And it's pretty simple, so all you have to do is do it in small sections though, because it does dry easily or fast. And I'm not going to bore you with step after step, but here is the end result. And all I did after I was done was go outside and pull out all the excess moss, because it does tend to have a lot of fallout. Once it was clean, it looked like this, a little thinner, a little more natural. And if you want, you can trim the excess, but I kind of like the natural look it had. And this is where I put it. I put it on my mantle. I have a window on the other side, and the frame that I had before was too short. So I feel like this gives it a more even and more balanced look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and until next time.